Executive Vice President of Southport of Area Chamber of Commerce. And hello, Tracy.
Hello, Karen.
Look at this beautiful Cabana.
So Chase, he's the one that designed this for me, put it together. So what we're doing here is doing extreme studio. It's 1102 North Howe Street. I'm right behind the smoke house in Southport. That's Olde Village Shoppes.
So
This is actually a dream come true today. Since it is. Yeah, pretty much since the first day of massage school, I was like, this is one massage on the beach. So this is a dream today.
so they can call you for an appointment.
They can. My phone number is 336-692-5118. You can also find out more information at handcrafted-massage.com. Texting is probably the best, is easiest for me to reply to, especially if I'm in session. I can.
And I just want you to look over here. I mean, what kind of, how more relaxed can you get? And then you've got this wonderful studio and this beautiful little cabana here. Give Tracy a call because you won't. She's got wonderful.
Yeah, great to relax, restore, rejuvenate. Handcrafted massage.
336-692-5118.
692-5118.
Thank you, Tracy. Congratulations.
Thank you, Karen.